Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify abandoned carts and recover lost sales. So, if customer add products to their cart but don't complete the purchase, follow these steps to fix Shopify abandoned carts and increase conversions. Step 1 will be enabling abandoned cart recovery emails. Go to Shopify admin, log in using user credentials, click on settings button at the bottom left of the screen. Now here, you'll have to simply choose notifications. Now, scroll to the abandoned checkout and click customize there. So you can click on customer notification and search for an option that says abandoned checkout and click customize there. Now, you can set it to send after 1 hour, 6 hours or 24 hours for better recovery rates. Now, step 2 will be offering discounts to abandoned cart users. So, you can create a discount code and include it in the recovery email. Use urgency like offer expires in 24 hours to drive conversions. Now, step 3 will be optimizing checkout experience. Ensure that the guest checkout is enabled for easy purchases and check for errors in payment methods under settings, navigating to payments, and on this page check for any errors. Then reduce extra shipping costs like high fees cause cart because high fees cause cart abandonment. Now, step 4 will be adding exit intent pop-ups. So use Shopify apps like Privy or Klaviyo to trigger pop-ups, offer a discount or free shipping before they leave. Now, step 5 will be add trust badges, secure checkout payment icons. So add trust badges, ensure fast loading pages, and enable Shop and Pay Express. And after following these steps, you would have successfully fixed your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.